Hello and welcome back to Let's Talk by George. In today's ROM video, we are going to see how to flash the latest MIUI Indian version, the MIUI 12.5.2. So basically, I've copied the file onto my SD card. So this is a guide for those who have unlocked the bootloader and want to flash the MIUI recovery ROM updates. So what you really need to do is you need to perform all the wipes, format the data, then copy the file to your SD card and just flash it, just like the normal ROMs. So we're gonna flash it now. Here we are. As you can see that the ROM is flashing. It's flashing now, as you can see. As you can see that we have finished flashing the MIUI latest update. So let me bring closer to you. So yeah, the result is successful. So what we are going to do is we are going to flash Magisk. Otherwise, what will happen is we will lose OrangeFox. So for that we are going to flash the 23.0 zip. Let me flash that. As you can see that it's flashing now. Otherwise what will happen is you will lose your OrangeFox. So what you need to do is you need to go back to ADB again and install flash the OrangeFox image using the ADB command. So instead of having all those headaches, we can actually bypass it by flashing the Magisk. As we can see, we have finished flashing the Magisk. Let me wipe cache and reboot to system. So the process is pretty much simple. You don't need to actually go for a fast boot image. Rather, you can flash and have the same experience with the recovery ROM. As we all know that currently the Indian version for 12.5.2 is under MIUI pilot. So basically here we are with the boot animation for the MIUI. Shouldn't take very long, so let us wait till it finishes. As you can see from the screen setup itself, we have finished flashing the latest MIUI 12.5. So overall the scrolling seems to be fine with this update. Otherwise you will have some kind of scrolling issue from the initial setup wizard itself. So let us begin the setup wizard and do everything as we can. So let's tick that. If you want to set up MIUI, it's like, I don't know, I'm not going to make any comments. So let me skip that and go straight into the home screen setup. So yeah, we will set it up later, and yeah, that too we will set it up later. Why do we need to tick a lot of things? Okay, a lot of things we need to do, so no thanks. Now let's go. Yeah, so basically they are telling that we have completed the step setup. Okay, fine. So here we are. I just want to have the experience of MIUI. So as you can see from the initial setup itself, the system is bloody bloated with lot of Google apps. I mean, what is, okay, let me reduce the brightness. Looks like we don't have any lag. Let me show it to you. Okay, fine. Yeah, looks fine. So let me take the app drawer. Let me bring the screen closer to you. As you can see, it is bloody bloated with Google apps. I mean, come on, who is going to use all these applications? And I believe 8 or 10 applications are going to be installed once we connect to the internet. So let me take the system. Okay, fine. So I can see that the scrolling is pretty much smooth. That's really fine. As we can see that the build is pretty much smooth. So let me go to about phone and try to see. Oh, fine. So it is the 2022 security update that we are receiving from this update. Okay, so that is excellent. basically these are the kernel and system information. Alright, so let's go back again and let's have a look if the memory extension is working or not. Additional settings, memory extension. Wow, we have a bug. Take a look at this. I am not sure when these people are going to fix this stupid feature. I mean, if you're giving a feature, why can't you make it work? Honestly speaking, what kind of, I mean, MIUI is a big software company or big phone company, and they can't even fix a bloody memory extension. Now I know why people call it MEMUI. As you can see from the screen itself, MEMUI bug extension is still a bug. Okay, so that is about the update. I'm very unhappy with the update and I'm going to go back to custom ROM. Okay, basically what you get is the latest security patch, and I believe, or I'm not sure, I suppose we are going to get some more MEMUI features. God, I really love this ROM. Just joking. Alright, so that is about the latest update from MIUI. Overall, yeah, the Poco launcher, I guess it has the same slowness, and as you can see that apps are ready to install, which means we will get some more bloated apps. And overall the gestures are working fine, I guess. So what we are going to do is we are going to see if the gestures are working fine or not. Let's come to additional settings and let's go for full screen display. Not now. And hide full screen indicator, and yeah, okay, fine. So as you can see, I guess the gestures are working okay. Okay, yeah, I believe the gestures are working fine. I mean, there isn't any much new things being added to MIUI 12.5.2. yeah, here we are. I guess we don't have any long lags. Let me pull up some more applications and try to see if we have any app launching lags and stuff like that. No, we don't have yet. So only issue that I've noticed with the build is that in the additional settings, as you can see, the memory extension is broken like the other ROMs, but in MIUI 12.5.1, the Indian version, it was not broken, it was functioning very well. So basically I'm not sure what exactly had happened in this particular version. If you want to flash it, yeah, you can just flash it just for an experience. And I'm not sure about the other bugs what we gonna have. Basically we don't have any changes in the app vault too. Look, the same app vault we have, and we don't have any big changes with the user interface or something like that with the latest update. Only change we have is it is updated to the latest security patch. Other than that, nothing much important thing is over here. Many thanks for watching Let's Talk by George. Please make sure to subscribe to our video, and thank you.